Hi, Faye. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, how far are we now? I mean, how high are we?
Hi.
Hi.
Are you selling this to people?
They're over there. And we're over here. Okay.
Oh, my son, there's two in a row. I want to
go
to the roller coaster in the Philippines.
What? Say hi again.
Hi again.
No, it's like, you know, I'm filming it.
And I would have to jump.
Oh. So I have to smile through everything. Okay.
Stop it.
No, I have to.
They want me to do it from you.
After 1, like 5, 8, 9, on picture of smile.